Biafra Battle Cry TV is more than a channel, it's a movement. We blend prophetic insight, cultural advocacy, and spiritual storytelling to awaken consciousness and empower communities. With over 400 videos produced monthly and a growing, engaged audience, we're ready to deepen our impact through channel memberships. Our goal is to offer exclusive content that honors our viewers' loyalty while sustaining our mission. We're excited to learn from YouTube experts and connect with creators who share our passion for purpose-driven media. Membership tier, value meets vision. Brand depth and audience diversity. Tier name, Battle Cry Supporter. Price, suggested, £1.99 per month. Perks and benefits. Loyalty badge, shoutout in community tab, early access to select videos. Family, something powerful is happening. YouTube has invited us to grow this movement through channel memberships, and I want you with me. If you've ever been blessed by our content, this is your chance to go deeper. Members will get exclusive teachings, liberation insights, and direct access to me. Your support helps us stay independent, amplify truth, and unfiltered updates on the internal and external forces confronting our people, exposing the oppression and shrine of injustice. To protect and honors our culture and calling. The struggle continues, and so does our voice. Tap for join and become part of the legacy.